Have you ever believed something about learning English that turned out to be completely false, completely wrong? Well, these myths might be stopping your progress without you even realizing it. Now, let's go over some of them today. Today, I'm going to share with you 7 common English learning myths that are slowing you down, and I'll tell you the truth behind them so that you can finally break free and start speaking confidently. I went through the same thing, all right? So I'm sharing my experience with you. Now let's get started. Myth number 1, I'm too old to learn English. Have you ever heard this before? Well, I have many times, right? This is a big one. People often think that only children can learn a new language easily. But that's not true. Adults have the advantage of understanding learning strategies, setting goals, and using logic. Age doesn't matter, all right? It's about your mindset and consistency. So whether you're 18 or 80, you can still improve your English. Trust me, you can do it. Number 2, this is a huge one. You need to live in an English-speaking country to get fluent. This is complete rubbish. Rubbish. Not true at all. Do you think you need to move to London or, I don't know, New York in order to learn to speak English fluently? Well, not anymore. With the internet, you can surround yourself with English no matter where you live in the world, right? You can use movies, podcasts, online classes, and even apps. Immersion is important, but you can create that environment from your home. In fact, this is how I learned English. I didn't move to an English-speaking country. I learned it from my home. I became fluent by speaking with people online and learning and studying online. I only moved to England recently. Number 3, I need to speak perfect English to be understood. Yeah, this is not true at all. And I believed this for so long. And it's a shame, really, because it held me back for a long time. Now, it's important that you understand that perfectionism kills progress. Most native speakers don't use perfect grammar all the time. Instead of trying to speak like a textbook, focus on communicating your ideas. Mistakes are normal, and they are how we learn. We learn from our mistakes. Aim for clarity, not perfection. And when you understand this, your English will improve so much faster, believe me. Number 4, I need a big vocabulary to start speaking. Not true at all. No, not true at all. Not true at all. You do not need thousands of words to start speaking English. Did you know that most conversations use just a few hundred words, a few hundred common words? Focus on learning the most useful phrases and words for daily life. Asking for directions, introducing yourself, ordering food, speaking on the phone, and so on. Start small and build up from there over time. This is how you make real progress. Number 5, you need expensive courses or materials to learn English. Not true. Not true at all. While courses can help, they're not necessary. There are so many free resources out there. YouTube videos, language exchange apps, podcasts, website. I didn't take an English course. Here I am. The real secret isn't a course. It's how much time and effort you're willing to put in. That's what matters. That's what will make you succeed or fail. Number 6, native speakers are the only good teachers. Not true. I truly believe that you can learn more and better if you are learning from someone who's gone through the process, right? So, like me. Now, this one isn't true at all. Now, non-native teachers can often explain grammar and vocabulary better because they've been through the same struggles as you, right? What matters is the teacher's ability to guide you, not their first language. It doesn't really matter. It doesn't really matter. Number 7, I don't have talent for languages. Who's heard this before? I have. Some people say, I'm not good with languages, so I'm not gonna try. Learning English or any other language for that matter isn't about talent, it's about practice. Some people may learn faster, true, but everyone can improve with consistent effort. This is science. Remember, progress is progress, no matter how slow it feels. Progress is progress, and practice makes perfect. You can learn English. I know you can. Do you believe you can? If you don't believe you can, then you will not learn English, okay? Because you need to be motivated. You need to have a reason why you're learning, okay? And please don't let these false beliefs stop you from reaching your goal. Comment below which myth surprised you the most, or share a myth you've heard about learning English. And if you found this helpful, don't forget to give it a like, subscribe, and share it with your friends. Let's keep learning and growing together. Remember, you're capable of more than you think. I'll see you in the next video. Peace.